Alright, here we have new inventory. 2014 Ford Econoline high top handicap wheelchair conversion van. It is a Tuscany VMI side entry lift with the rear easy lock, rear power folding bench seat bed. 74,000 original miles. Clean Carfax, clean auto check, clean title, no rust. Southern van. Beautiful, beautiful condition. Shows beautifully on the exterior. Very nice on the interior. Super, super nice. Tow package. It does have the door cutouts, the raised side entry doors. Rycon 600-pound lift. Very, very nice van. 74,000 original miles. The body's in excellent shape. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. You can visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. I'm going to give you the full tour here. We specialize in these vans. Tires are like new. Wheels are nice, not a drop of rust anywhere. Super nice van. Tires are all good. Don't hesitate to call or text us at any time. We can help with financing. We ship anywhere in the world. Take any type of trade-in. Let us know what you have. We're happy to help. Been in business 46 years. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Check us out on all the platforms. Give us a follow. Give us a like, please. When we get to 10,000 subscribers across all platforms, we're going to give away a van. We really do care about what we do, so just give us a call. We're happy to help you if we can. If we can't, we're happy to point you in the right direction. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Visit us on all platforms, suprememotorsusa.com.net, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. We're everywhere. Check out the interior of this bad boy. You got your rear easy lock, power folding bench seat bed, which is nice. You got two switches for that too. You got one here. You got one here on the panel, and you also have one located in the rear of the van. Beautiful wood grain interior accents. Got your entertainment system, TV, DVD. Don't think it's even ever been used. It's got the hardcore rubber floor and also the door cutouts here, so when you come in, you got maximum clearance coming in. Super nice condition. Hardcore rubber floor again. Rycon lift. Everything is in very nice condition. 74,347 miles. Super duper clean. Got your DVD player here. No warning lights on. You do need the e-brake pressed in order to use the wheelchair lift. A couple little spots on the interior. A little spot here on the seat just from coming in and out probably with a wheelchair. It's normal for these vans. Got all your headsets for the entertainment system. You got Q-straight tie down points in the floor. You have your extra seatbelt here. You got all your window shades, of course. Those aren't in the best shape, but they're there and they're in good shape. They're just not perfect. They work and operate the way they're supposed to. They just have a little bit of discoloring on them, but overall they're very nice. Try to be as honest and disclose everything we can on every single vehicle. I'm going to give you the full tour back here too. Got your other button there for the bench seat bed. Please don't hesitate to give us a call at any time. 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, we are more than happy to help. Ask for Jeff or Ken. The wheelchair lift is 600 pounds. I'm going to show you how that's working. It is working great. It was just serviced as well. This is your rear area here. Super duper nice. Got all your reading lights, indirect lighting, limo lighting as well, LED lighting all over. Paint shines beautifully. Again, alloy wheels, tires, beautiful running boards. Super nice van. Under the hood is very nice. I'm going to show you that as well. Supreme Motors USA, Boca Raton, Florida. Don't hesitate to call, text, email us anytime. Got all your stickers here. Clean Carfax. You got a trade-in, let us know. You need help with shipping, let us know. You want to fly in, we'll pick you up at the airport. We'll get you on the road immediately. Underneath, the engine compartment is excellent shape. It is a 5.4 liter V8 bulletproof engine. These 5.4s are unbelievable in these Ford vans. Got all your 50 state emissions. This thing is ready to rock and roll today. Give us a call at any time at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. You can text us there. If you're selling a van, let us know. We're always buying inventory. We need inventory. We have customers all over the world that are waiting for specific handicap vans that we just might not have at the moment, but maybe you have one for sale. Let us know. We'd be happy to come get it from you. We operate worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are and what your situation is. We can definitely come and do business with you. We're happy to do that at any time. So don't hesitate to call us at any time. Jeff or Ken. Showing you how the wheelchair lift works here. Everything's working and operating the way it's supposed to. There you go. Making sure the door was closed there. There you go. All set. Do not hesitate to give us a call at any time. We are more than happy to help. Thank you. Supreme Motors USA, Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Been in business 46 years. We want to help you. Thank you.